Hello students. Now we are going to learn global warming and climate change. As Earth started to take its shape from a fireball to a planet, many gases were released. These gases did not escape into outer space because of the Earth's gravitational pull, and it still holds them back. A thin layer of gases surrounded the Earth, that is, atmosphere. It provides us several important benefits. For example, the oxygen that we breathe, the ozone that protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun, the nitrogen that our plants use to make protein that we need, and it keeps us warm. Atmosphere traps a lot of solar energy that reaches the earth by preventing it from totally escaping back into space. This is called greenhouse effect. This is important and vital for life to survive on this planet. However, since the 19th century, the planet has been warming up very rapidly. It could lead to catastrophic changes, that is, floods, earthquakes, sulfur rains. These are called climate changes. Warming that has been occurring since the Industrial Revolution, deforestation is being of human activities. Hence, the current global warming trend to called AGW, anthropogenic global warming. Anthropogenic means caused by humans. Recently, scientists are discovering large volumes of methane under the frozen tundras of the far northern latitudes. As global temperature increases, the ice in the tundra melts more. The methane that is trapped under the ice escapes into the atmosphere, increasing the global temperatures. This causes even more ice to melt. Methane is said to be even more powerful than carbon dioxide as a greenhouse gas. An international organization called Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, was formed to address this issue. The IPCC 2015 Paris Summit came to an agreement to reduce greenhouse gas. On this agreement, total 195 countries signed. Developed countries want developing countries to cut down on burning coal that add greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. Developing countries argue that developed countries developed preciously by burning fossil fuels when they were developing. Impact of climate change in India. Though a rise of 2 degrees Celsius in average temperature may appear to be small, it would result in a rise of 1 meter in sea levels by early next century. This would affect large portions of our coastal areas, and millions of people would have to be shifted. They would lose their livelihood. Example, affected families in Kolkata after Ayla cyclone 2009. The other effect would be on rainfall. Some places receive excess rainfall, whereas others get less. Hence, droughts and floods are expected to increase. This would affect the agriculture. The faster melting of Himalayan glaciers would disturb the livelihood of fishermen. So, we should plant more trees to save our earth. Thank you.